Tired of scam websites? Not anymore. Meet evensight.com, a super simple tool that lets you check if any website is safe in just a few clicks. Here's how it works. Go to evensight.com, hit the Try Safety Checker button, and paste the website link you want to check. In a few seconds, you'll get a detailed safety report that tells you whether the site is trustworthy, suspicious, or downright dangerous. It scans through a massive database of over 500,000 websites looking for red flags like phishing, fake stores, and malware. And the best part? It's completely free. No sign-ups, no downloads, nothing shady behind it. What I love most is how clean and fast it feels. No pop-ups, no clutter, just the info you actually need to stay safe online. So before you make that next online purchase or click a random link from an email, do yourself a favor and run it through Evensight first. Stay smart, stay safe, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tools that make your digital life safer.